Jai Shri Krishna. He plays leelas with his devotees. He is so very much there, and they can see how he is playing around with them based on the kind of devotion they have. And the whole world actually keeps watching, and they are astonished by this. But it's such a normal thing for the devotee. And every time such incidents happen in their life, their faith is many times fortified, which is already complete. This is the incidence of Tulsidasa. In his era, once he came to Vrindavan. And in Vrindavan, still that place is there. It is called as Tulsi Ram Darshan. So, Tulsidas, his dear friend who is a Mahant in this ashram at that time, Swami Parshuram Das Ji. Now Parshuram Das Ji is a devotee of Krishna, and in the morning, early morning, when the Aarti time is there, everybody, there's a tradition that they prostrate in front of the deity. So spontaneously, Tulsidas Ji is also prostrating in front of the deity. And when he is prostrating, he sees Krishna. Instead of Krishna, he sees Ram in Krishna. Now, Parshuramji is being a little mischievous here, and he teases Tulsidas. He says, "Apne apne ishta ko naman kare so koe, Parshuram par ishta ko nave so uchit na hoye." Tulsidas ji looks at him and he says that I see Rama when I see Krishna. And the moment he says this, the deity transforms from Rama, from Krishna, who's holding a flute, to Rama, who's holding a bow and arrow. Until that date, till today, we still have a Rama idol there, in that place. So, such things can only happen with intense devotion like that. So the saying here is that Ananya means who sees the same one Isht everywhere. He sees only one Isht. He doesn't go down to another deity. He has only one deity. So like Tulsidas has Rama, Meera has Krishna. So one day in Vrindavan, there is a procession going on, and everybody is asking why this pomp and show and what's happening. So this is a celebration that this Acharya has become Ananya. So this is Ananya Acharya, that he doesn't go down to any deity other than his own Ishtadev. So one guy, he says, move aside, this procession is going, so move aside from the way. So one person says, I don't move away. So why? He says, I'm Fananya. If he's Ananya, I'm Fananya. She says, what does that mean? He says that I don't see anybody else other than my deity, other than my Isht. I don't even recognize that there is anything else other than him. Whatever I see the same. I see the same Lord in everything. You actually at least recognize that there is another form of power also which exists. I see only one form of power everywhere. Actually, that's how it should be. That when our faith is firm in one form, wherever we go, whatever we see, we should be able to see the same form, the same deity, the same Isht everywhere. That's what is being Ananya. Jai Shri Krishna.